Hi everyone, welcome to another video of my cooking channel, and in this video we're going to be making no-bake protein monster cookies. And what we will need is 2 cups of a plant butter of your choice, like peanut butter or almond butter, and unsweetened coconut flakes, and some rolled oats, and then some nuts of your choice. I'm going to be using peanuts. If you want to, you can even add some chocolate chips to it too. Alright, and then we need to put the 2 cups of the nut butter into a bowl. If I can even get in here. Okay, let's go. Why is it so blurry? There's a strip this off. There. Alright, then we need 3/4 of a cup of nuts of your choice. And it should look something like that. We are going to pour that in. And then we need 1.5 cups of these oats. And if you end up spilling a little bit, then that's okay. With measuring stuff out, I recommend pouring some into the measuring cup and leveling it out and adjusting it to the measurement that you need it to be at. And it should look something like that. And then we need 1 cup of the unsweetened coconut flakes. Right, and it should look something like that. Then we are going to pour that in. And then we are going to mix all of that up together. Once it's all mixed together, it should look something like this. Alright, and then the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to take some wax paper or parchment paper, and then we're going to spread it out over a cookie sheet, like this. And then put it like that. Then put it in the cookie sheet like that. And then what we're going to do is we need to take a cookie scooper and then scoop it up like that and make sure it's kind of like this, and then put it onto the cookie sheet. And then we are going to do that until all of the cookie dough is used up, and then we leave a little bit of space between the edges and between each cookie. Once the cookies are on the cookie sheet, it should look something like this, and then we are going to leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. If you want to, you can add chocolate sauce to the top of the cookies, but you don't have to if you don't want to.